Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Beyblade Burst, Hasbro's version of D11 TA05 Xcalius Attack Type Master Kit. So Beyblade Burst. D11 TA05 Xcalius Attack Type. This is the Master Kit made by Hasbro. You know, download the app, which now it's really good now. Back in the day, it wasn't that great. I don't know what this says. It looks like something in Spanish. So now I'm going to try to, you know, do anything with that. But yeah. So for its attack, it's 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 on attack for the energy layer. Force disc is 4 for the burst on its disc, I guess. Defense 0. Weight is 2. Agility is 2, 4, 6. Sits on agility. And stamina is nothing. So what do you get in here? The new gold stream launcher. The first ever Beyblade Burst Hasbro accessory. The Bay Equip or Bay Carabiner, how you want to call it. You know, so you could take that, put it on there, and then it works like that. And then, you know, a gold version of the already Xcalius, which you could get Xcalius in a 2-pack. Okay. And let's see what 2-pack Xcalius came in. Ah, here. So it's just a recover of the original Xcalius. Xcalius comes in a 2-pack, you know, with Roktavor R2 recovered and original Xcalius. So yeah, all this is pretty much a recover. So look in here, it's done in gold. The force disc, I forgot what the name of it. Fate, Phantom, Fight. It's the F disc. I can't recall offhand what one it was. And then of course we have our driver. So let me grab my computer real fast and take a look. So yeah, here's the computer. I really hate bringing my laptop over here because it messes up the screen of my camera, but it's Xcalius Force Extreme. Force. And then the driver's Extreme! So as you can see, this is what the Takari Tomy one looked like. It was red with the gold sword, green sticker and blue stickers on there. So that was their one. And then of course you got their stream launcher over there. The translucent yellow stream launcher. Why? I don't know that you got that stream launcher. It should have been that you got the sword launcher. And I think that this yellow stream launcher would look a lot better on Zillion Zeus, or here in America, Zillion Zootron. I guess someone likes Tron, the video game and the movie Tron. And I think Tron the anime series. So someone's been into Tron over here. Because Zillion Zootron what happened to Zillion Zeus? Because the Beyblade is supposed to portray Zeus. Anyway. So yeah. Energy layer is Xcalius. Force disc is Force, and performance tip is Extreme. So those are the parts of Xcalius. And see what I'm saying now? I kind of got this yellow going on the camera, which kind of makes it hard to focus. So maybe if I darken it up and then if we adjust to light. I don't know why it always does this. Whenever I put my laptop up here and zoom in on the Beyblade wiki website forum, the WBBAO thing, which I'll put a link down below in the description. So yeah, it'll be right there down in the description. Anyway, whenever I go on there, it always makes the screen yellow. So yeah, let's open up, tail at the parts and stuff, and see if this is worth it. The only place that I have seen this, which I have seen this in 2 places. One, online, toywiz.com. I'll put a link to them down below in the description. So that's where I see it online. I checked Amazon, I checked eBay, I checked Toys R Us, I checked Toy, I checked Walmart.com. Nope, no one carried it. So how did I get a hold of this? Toywiz.com, right? Wrong. I actually picked this up at a store called Myers. It's about 20 bucks. Which is about roughly around the same price that Toywiz was asking for it. Of course, if you buy a Toywiz, you gotta pay shipping here and then you gotta wait for it to be shipped. So, yeah, I'm kind of glad that I'm here to see this. A little bit more pricier than, the starter pass that comes with a launcher, the double booster pass that, you get 2 tops and no launcher, and the single booster pass that, you only get the Beyblade top and no launcher. So definitely more in the higher price range. But, is it worth it? I don't really know. So, BeybladeBurst.com, I'll put a link down below. Get the app on the App Store and Google Play. WBBA and Sunlights, D-Lights, Hasbro, all that stuff. So, let's take down the box and lift it. Just a piece of cardboard. Nothing too special on the background. Pretty useless. So I guess let's get our parts. So here is what gold Xcalius is going to look like. So it's actually a pretty cool cover. That nice gold on it. Now looking from the picture on the box here, it kind of looks like it's going to have a little wheel on it. To kind of do a single point attack and then some hard hitter tats and then a little wheel type of roller. As you can, let's get the camera focus there. Probably see right here. Nope, that is not a roller. That is actually where the screw goes. So yeah, kind of a joke on us. It's a free screw. 1, 2, 3. So it's actually right there where the screw goes. to hold the top and the bottom layer together. Yeah. And here's the QR code. For gold Xcalius. So there you go. Focus. It has a little F right there for focus. And then the big dual swords on there, they form X for extreme. Actually, it's just an X. I thought it was swords. And there's what the bottom drawer looks like. So let's go ahead and put this thing together. Moving on to the launcher. By the way, there is the QR code for the gold launcher, which I recommend. Go ahead, scan this launcher. It's one of the best launchers in the Beyblade Burst app. Better than this one. And you know it's definitely better than this one. This one, app, real life, garbage. Real life, I love this one. In the app, I was using this one, but then this one. Best one! So it has side whales on here. So can you add, yeah, if you wanted to, you could add a whipcord launch, a string launcher, and a whipcord launcher. Why? I don't know, but yeah, you could do that. Just like if you took this one off, you could add it on there. Why? I don't know. Can you add it on the bottom? Yeah, you could add it on the bottom like that. Why? A little bit longer grip. Can you do it like this? Yeah, but it makes it a little bit more unstable. But of course, since you're not using the whipcord launcher and you're only using the string launcher, kind of a little bit more stable, which this might be the best way to use it. And then the little carabiner, it shows you just slide it on and push it forward. Simple as that. So, do the connection port right there, and then just take this in. There, it is locked in. It's not going to go anywhere. I wish that it had something that would slide this in to catch it instead of just sitting there resting on top, as you can kind of see right there. But yeah, and then doesn't really want to open up that much or give you that much room to play. Not the best carabiner, but there's something that's, in their opinion, does two things. One, you know where your launcher is, it's on your belt loop, and two, gives you a little bit more room to wrap your pinky around. So that's what it's supposed to do. Can you put on other products? Better straight up launcher? Sure. And does this thing? Yes. Your whipcord actually does go through because there is a little whipcord slot right in there. So, yeah, they did make that. I'm going to put this back a little bit. So, there is a little hole that goes there. Now, can you put it in? Oh wait, this one doesn't go in reverse. I'm feeling this other one. So, you know, you can put it there, which is why I kind of like. It looks pretty cool. Because, you know, I love this one. So, just for the sake of argument, can we attach it onto any of these other ones? Nope. It can only go on the back bottom one here. I thought I could go on down the side here because, you know, this one, right spin, turn around, put in the other hole, left spin. But, no. So, There's that. Let's move these out of the way. And like I said, here's kind of what I said of how you install the little carabiner accessory type of thing. So let's see what to use first. Well, let's start with the weakest one. 3, 2, 1, let it whip! Yay! I'm so excited for this battle. Garbage. Let's use the battle launcher here. 3, 2, 1, let it whip! As you can see, way better than this little garbage one. Let's try a string launcher. By the way, this is my first string launcher of the Beyblade Burst thing. I really wish I had a Beyblade Burst Takari Tony one, but first time Hasbro comes out with the Beyblade Burst launcher. Okay, let's try out. 3, 2, 1, let it whip. Okay, I guess. Let's try it with the little carabiner attached. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Actually, that was kind of horrible. So I'm going to try. I got this thing stuck. Come on. There we go. Why ain't this thing working? I'm not good with string launchers. Tell you the truth, I hate string launchers. I love water whipcord launchers. String launchers actually hinders my pulling strength. Because I always breaking them or feel like I'm going to break them. With this, I could just pull out and don't worry about anything. So I mean, yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, I was in the Beyblade Burst show. Everyone, pretty much everyone in the show, always uses a string launcher in the anime. In real life, give me a whip cord. Where I can let it whip, just like Xander. Real name Alex Xander, who uses Xcalius from the Flame Swords Club. So I'm more like Xander, using a whipcord launcher instead of a string launcher. So yeah, let me move this out of the way. Goes from the bottom. There we go. So yeah, that's the unboxing review of Hasbro's Beyblade Burst D11 TA05 Xcalius Attack Type Master Kit. Remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.